Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Bitrix24 inventory management. This feature is essential for businesses that need to track stock levels, manage product information, and keep their inventory organized in one centralized system. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Bitrix24.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your Bitrix24 account using your credentials, enter your username and password to access your workspace. After logging in, look at the left sidebar and click on CRM. This section is where all your customer relationship management tools are housed, including the inventory features we'll be working with today. Once you're in the CRM area, direct your attention to the upper left of the page. Here, you'll see a menu option labeled Inventory. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, select Inventory Management. This is the hub where you'll control all aspects of your stock and product tracking. Now, if this is your first time using the inventory management feature, a slide-out panel will automatically pop up in your browser. This panel is important because it prompts you to select a costing method. You'll see options like FIFO, which stands for first in, first out, among others. Choose the costing method that best fits your business model. This choice determines how Bitrix24 calculates the cost of goods sold and values your remaining inventory. So make sure you select the one that aligns with your accounting practices. Once you've selected your costing method, you'll need to enable the feature. Click on Enable Inventory Management. This activates the system and allows you to start adding products and tracking stock levels. Give it a moment to process and load the necessary tools. Next, from the CRM inventory section, open the product catalog. This is where all your products will be listed and managed. To add a new item, click on Create and then select Create Product from the options that appear. This will open a new form where you can input all the relevant details for your product. In this form, start by typing the product name. Make it clear and descriptive so it's easy to identify later. Then add a description that provides more context about the product, such as its features or specifications. You can also upload images to give a visual reference, which is especially helpful for sales and inventory teams. Next, enter the barcode if your product has one, as this will streamline scanning and tracking processes. Don't forget to input the purchase price, which is what you paid to acquire the product, and the sale price, which is what you'll charge customers. After filling in all the necessary information, click Save. The system will take a few seconds to process and store your new product entry, so just be patient while it loads. Once the product is saved, it will appear in your catalog, and you can start tracking its inventory levels, sales, and restocking needs. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and started using Bitrix24 inventory management, and you're now ready to manage your products efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.